Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! We're getting up to some crazy fucking shit today. Look the fuck out. But before we do that, let's get uncanny with a can of fucking Carling. 4.9%. Fuck yeah. Woohoo! Ah, fuck, that's good. So, if you know anything about me, I don't like to do things normally or straightforward. It is a drunk cooking channel after all. And if you really like pizzas and you follow my pizza playlist, which there'll be an iCard up here and a link down below in the description box, you know I make some really twisted fucking pizzas. Well, today we're not making a pizza. So I've done a mac and cheese pizza, jalapeno mac and cheese pizza. We're doing a Panzerotti today, and we're doing a Kraft dinner Panzerotti. Yeah, fucking right. The only thing we're using is Kraft dinner, and when you have mac and cheese, if you don't have ketchup on your mac and cheese, you're probably fucked in your head. We're going to be using some French's ketchup and a little extra cheddar or cheddar. We're using the Cracker Barrel old cheddar, or if you want to speak French, Fort. And we got about, I think this is about 210 grams of pizza dough. There's a huge fucking air bubble in there. Huge. I forgot I had this. I made something the other day and I tucked this somewhere and it's like, fuck, this is 2 days old, so it's still good. You wouldn't want to let it go any longer than that, so let's make some Kraft dinner. Get the oil heated up, because we're going to deep fry this bitch, because that's a Panzerotti. That's what you do with a Panzerotti. You deep fry it. And this will not be the only unique Panzerotti in the pizza playlist. I'll put a link here for the Panzerito. It's not a Panzerotti, it's a Panzerito. It's a Panzerotti filled with my burrito mixture. There'll be a link for my burrito recipe too. Fuck yeah. Panzerito's really fucking good. Now that is a CGBS original recipe. Alright bitches, let me grate some cheese, get the water boiling, and figure some shit out. Because I'm getting a good glow on. Fuck yeah. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. Alright bitches, the oil is heating up. Here's our flour. Our flour is here. Here's our dough. Sprinkle some flour down on the surface. Take this bitch out. A lot of air in there. Flour the top of the dough, and we'll press it out. Don't want a big explosion here. I forgot it for a day. We want all that air out though. So I'm going to roll this out into the size that I need. And then I'll be back. But before I come back, cheers, biggers. Don't worry, we're not even going to use that part. Cheers, biggers. Alright, bitches, there you go. That's the size I need for my pot. We're going to put down some cheddar cheese first. And always make sure you buy a block of cheese and shred it yourself. You want to keep everything away from the edges. So you want a tight seal. When you're deep frying this thing, you do not want your seal to bust or you're fucking euchred. You can have a severe accident. Cause your oil to overflow. I haven't had it happen, but I've seen it happen. Ain't fun. You can cause a fire. Burn your fucking house down. Make sure you have fire protection, fire extinguisher, whenever you're deep frying. Okay, that's a nice little amount of cheddar. Now I'm going to put some ketchup on here. We're going to put some more cheddar on top too, don't worry. Yeah, fuck yeah. Right, ketchup. Fucking ketchup on there. Put a little more ketchup on too, don't you fucking worry about that. See, you don't want that. Not close to the edge. You know what I mean there, fucky bean? Okay. Mac and cheese. You want your oil around 350 degrees, and the oil is heating right now. Where is it? Let's get a spoon or a fork or some fucking thing here. Our Kraft dinner. KD. Not KDST. If anybody knows what that is. It's from Grand Theft Auto. Now there's quite a few ways to seal this. You could run a bit of water along here and press, when you fold your dough over and press it. Yeah, it's a little too much. Come on, away from there. A little more ketchup. We're going to do a pinch and fold and press it with the fork too. Good. A little more cheese. I love the old cheddar, eh? Okay, good enough. All right. Away with you. Cheers, biggers. So if you want to, like, just wet your finger and put some water. Okay, here, it's easy to show you. You don't have to do that. It just, like, some people think it helps. Me, I never do it, but I'll show you. There you go. Good enough. Keep your counter fucking dry though. I do the fold and press. Okay. If your dough gets too thin, then you're fucking euchred. You don't want her to fucking split. Press, 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 press. And when I mean a fold, give her a fold, give her a fold, give her a fold, like that, like this, bing. Big fucking Panzerotti. And use your fork. Like that, if you want. Boom, let me move the camera over. We're going in the pan, or in the pot, sorry. Boom. All right, bitches. Cheers, big ears. Let's get her done. Whoa. I don't recommend you do this in a pot. I recommend you do this in a real deep fryer. In this case, do not do as I do. And put it in away from you. Very slowly. You're gonna do about 4 minutes aside. And be careful when you flip it over, because you don't want to try it. If you puncture it, you're fucked. Make sure you have like an oven mitt and a lid. Shut the stove off, put the fucking lid on if it starts fucking going, and have a fire extinguisher around. So, have a beer. Cheers, big ears. Safety. Safety is the fucking key. This is not too safe, but use a deep fryer. Alright, bitches, that's how she looks, eh? Just kind of looks like that. I'm gonna cut her open right down the fucking middle, how about that? But first we're gonna cut this can open. Fuck yeah. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. A weapon. See what's going on. Let's get it on like Donkey Kong. Oh, it's deflating. It's not oozing. Oh, a little bit of oozing. It's steamy as fuck. Yeah, it's not oozing. Alright. Let's try this bitch out. Cheers, big ears. Don't matter which side. And if we want extra ketchup, there's extra ketchup. Kraft dinner and dough. Deep fried dough. It's fucking tasty. Fuck yeah. Dropped it. Would you want a Panzerotti like this every day? No, but you know what? You put some jalapeno in there, some bacon, some pepperoni, bit of mushroom. Be fucking dynamite, I tell you that. But I wanted to do this just plain Kraft dinner. Man, they make the noodles of Kraft dinner smaller. Like, they're way thinner than they used to be. There you go. There's another way to deep fry Kraft dinner. Or mac and cheese, whichever you prefer. I say I normally make this with homemade mac and cheese. See? There you go, bitches. Okay. It's fucking tasty, I'll tell you that. There you go. A Kraft dinner Panzerotti. Fuck yeah. Always follow safety practices when you're deep frying. Don't be a fucking asshole. Save being an asshole for another day. Fuck yeah. Fuck, that's good. Hey, I knew that was gonna fall. Look, it's oozing. Squeak! Alright, bitches, you've watched me eat this long enough. Fuck, that's good. Taste that ketchup in there. And the extra cheese. Okay. This is not worthy of a tea today. But it's worthy of making. I tell you what. What? Make this. Try it. You might like it. You might not. Do I care? Fuck no. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. Keep your head up. Keep your stick on the ice. And fuck right off. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Fuck yeah.